Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
GoPro action cameras have been used for years by consumers having fun, creators of all kinds, sports enthusiasts, broadcasters, and even filmmakers. But now the company is branching out with a new lineup called Mission 1, including a model, the ILC, that takes interchangeable lenses. SVP for Global Marketing Rick Loughery says there's a long list of features that make the cameras unique.
The Mission 1 series is powered by our all-new GP3 processor and a brand new 1-inch sensor. So that's going to make great low-light capabilities for the camera and amazing slow motion. And they also have a 50 megapixel sensor for photos.
The images and videos that can be produced are stunning. They'll arrive at the end of May, starting at about $600.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.